So in this video, I'm going to make you practice. Before that, I'm going to say something to you. So you should pay attention what I'm going to let you know. See, if you want to become fluent in English, you need to listen to people as well. When you listen to people, you need to understand how they communicate. Okay, so that is why you need to listen to people, right? Apart from that, if you see any object around you, you need to pick that object and you need to describe in English. If you do so, you're going to become fluent in English. Apart from that, I come up with the topic and make you practice as usual. So let's begin now. So before plus gerund part 1, before going to bed I brush my teeth, before leaving the house I lock the door, before eating dinner I wash my hands, before watching TV I finish my homework, before taking a bath I prepare my clothes, before going to the supermarket I make a list, before driving a car you need a license, before meeting new people, I feel nervous. Before cooking, I read the recipe. Before traveling, I pack my suitcase. Before swimming, I put on sunscreen. Before swimming, I put on sunscreen. Before sleeping, I read a book. Sentence using I need to. Sentences using I need to. I need to do some exercise. I need to relax. I need to eat healthy food. I need to lose weight. I need to stop smoking. I need to get more sleep. I need to drink less coffee. I need to take a break. I need to call my mom. I need to meet my friends. I need to invite someone to dinner. I need to go to a party. I need to book a table at a restaurant. Questions about likes and dislikes. Does your father like cats? Does your father like dogs? Does your father like chocolate? Does your father like pizza? Does your father like to dance? Does your father like to swim? Does your father like to fish? Does your father like to play chess? Does your father like to take photos? Does your father like to cook? General offers and questions. General offers. Okay. Would you like something to drink? Would you like to dance? Would you like to learn English? Would you like to go to the beach? Would you like to have a party? Would you like to travel to another country? Would you like to buy a new car? Would you like to change your hair? Would you like to see a doctor? How long will it take to dry my hair? How long will it take to clean the house? How long will it take to watch this movie? How long will it take to learn a new language? How long will it take to grow a beard? How long will it take to get used to living in a new city? How long will it take to recover from the flu? How long will it take to finish this project? General questions. Am I good at English? Am I good at cooking? Am I good at singing? Am I good at dancing? Am I good at drawing? Am I good at sports? Am I good at listening? Am I good at talking? Am I good at writing? Am I good at studying? Do I want to? Okay, sentences using do I want to. Do I want to go to the cinema tonight? Do I want to eat pizza or pasta? Do I want to buy a new phone? Do I want to watch TV or read a book? Do I want to go to the park or the beach? Do I want to study English or math? Do I want to go shopping or stay at home? Do I want to listen to music or play games? Do I want to go to the gym or go swimming? Do I want to eat out or cook at home? Do I want to take the bus or the train? Do I want to wear jeans or trousers? Do I want to buy a red or blue shirt?